Hi, kids. Ready to meet 5 amazing farm animals? Let's go! These animals are super cool and friendly. Cow. They give us milk and say moo. Chicken. They lay eggs for our breakfast. Pig. They love to roll in the mud and say oink. Sheep. They give us wool and say baa. Horse. They're strong and love to gallop. Which animal is your favorite? Like and subscribe for more fun!